Hi everyone, my name is Idil and welcome to Idil's Kitchen. I have a great recipe prepared for you today. We are going to make an amazing cookie in shape of a Christmas tree and decorate it with lots of fruits, lots of jelly beans. It's going to be perfect New Year's. Let's take a look at the ingredients first. I just love New Year's. I love making cakes and cookies for New Year's, and this one is particularly very easy. We are going to make a tart-like dough. Please save this recipe. You can use it for your tart recipes. You can bake it like a cookie. It's super easy, works every time. I'm going to write down all the ingredients along with the quantities in the description box below. But I'm adding butter, room temperature butter, some flour, baking powder, an egg, some powdered sugar. If you're not using sugar, you can definitely substitute it with maple syrup or agave, and some almond flour. You can leave this out, but it does give it a beautiful taste, beautiful flour, a beautiful flavor. So if you do have it on hand, you can use it as well. And some vanilla extract. So I'm going to use my stand mixer here and give this a good go, good mix. And once I see everything coming together, we're gonna leave it to rest. I forgot the orange zest. You don't need to add this, but if you have an orange and lemon in your fridge, you can use the zest again to make the flavor a little bit more better. And now I'm giving everything a good mix. And once you see the dough coming together, it means that it's ready. This is my go-to tart dough recipe. It's super easy to make, very easy to follow. When it cooks, it's very light, it melts in your mouth. It's such a great dough recipe, so don't forget to save it. You can use it whenever you are making a tart or an easy cookie. You can always use this. And what I did was I gave it a shape, circular shape with my hands, so it will be easier to roll it. And I put it between two parchment papers. And I'm going to transfer this to my freezer. I'll wait about 5-6 minutes and then we'll continue. So my dough has been rested now, and what I did was I searched Christmas tree on Google. I found this and I got it printed on a big paper. And I'm going to use this as my guide to give it the Christmas tree shape. But first, with my rolling pin here, I'm going to make sure that it's nice and thin. We are making a Christmas tree right now, but let's say it's your birthday and you are turning 34 years old like me. You can do a 3 and a 4. Let's say if it's your kid's birthday party, you know, you can make it into all different shapes. You can write names, and super easy trick. And once you cut it, you can take the excess dough, and you know what you can do with this excess dough? You can roll it again and you can make another Christmas tree out of it, and you know, you can put them on top, fill them with a pastry cream and serve this like a cookie cake, or you can just put it in a freezer bag, plastic bag, and freeze it like me and use it whenever you want a tart or a cookie. And now it's time to peel off the Christmas tree shape and transfer this to an oven tray. And I'm going to bake it at preheated oven at 180 Celsius degrees, which is about 356 Fahrenheit degrees. And it will cook in about 10-12 minutes. And once it's cooked, I'm just going to take it out and let it cool down for a bit. And now we're going to work on it. About 10 minutes in the oven, and then I let it cool down for another 10 minutes, and it's now time to decorate it. We're going to decorate it like your usual Christmas tree. Here I've got pastry cream. What I did was, while cooking it, I added some green food coloring so that it's beautifully green. And if you don't know how to make pastry cream, please make sure to leave down your comments and I can show you a quick recipe for that also. And what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to get this cream go on top of my tree here, and then we are going to decorate it with some fruit and some jelly beans. how gorgeous it looks, and now it's time to decorate it. And jelly beans are super easy to use. They're very colorful. Kids would love it. But for fruit, I always use red currants when baking for New Year's, and it has a great color as well. And I'm going to decorate it with jelly beans, red currants. You can use blueberries if you want, whatever you have on hand. And it's ready. It's looking super, super cute. And I'm just going to taste it from the top. The cookie dough is so amazing. It's super light, and when it meets with the pastry cream and the red currants, it's just very, very delicious. Please go into your kitchens and try this now. And if you do try it, please comment down below. I share a lot of easy, wholesome, delicious Mediterranean recipes. So if you haven't done so, please do subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!